Everybody wants passive income, but the truth is that nothing is ever truly passive. The closest that you're going to get is automated systems that work when you don't. The advertisers making $100 a day aren't guessing. They're using tools that optimize, track, and scale on autopilot. Today we're going to be breaking down 5 PPC tools that turn clicks into cash flow and turn your campaigns into $100 a day machines. Welcome back. If you're tired of babysitting campaigns and want predictable daily profits, this video is for you. These 5 PPC tools help you automate targeting, track conversions, optimize ads, and scale without constantly tweaking. Because profits don't come from working harder, they come from letting smart systems work for you. Tool number 1 is the foundation. It's Google Keyword Planner. It isn't just a keyword finder, it's the map that shows you where the money is. With Keyword Planner, you can uncover low competition, high intent keywords that advertisers overlook. Find terms with affordable CPCs, strong search volume, and clear buyer intent. This tool also reveals something most beginners never look at: search behavior patterns. You're not just choosing keywords, you're understanding why people search, when they search, and how close they are to buying. Use filters to identify commercial intent keywords such as best, near me, higher, or review, transactional modifiers such as pricing, cost, discount, or coupons, seasonal spikes where CPCs drop but demand rises, hidden clusters of long-tail keywords that have low competition but high conversion potential. Most new advertisers lose money because they target broad, expensive keywords. Keyword Planner reveals the hidden gold, the long tails where cheaper clicks turn into profitable conversions. Here's where it becomes really powerful. Keyword Planner lets you forecast impressions, clicks, and conversions before even spending $1. It literally tells you whether a niche can produce $100 a day before you even launch. So use it to build tightly themed campaigns with laser-focused intent. Forecast spend, clicks, conversions, and CPA. Identify undeserved keywords competitors haven't touched yet. Find niches where the CPC to profit ratio makes $100 a day effortless, and build negative keyword lists that protect your budget, as well as understand market competition levels before you truly invest. So picture it like this: we build campaigns using real-time keyword data, not just guesswork. Our pro insight here is that money isn't in more traffic, it's in the right traffic with predictable intent. Long-tail keywords are what actually turn ad spend into profit. Tool number 2 is your unfair advantage. It's SEMrush or Ahrefs. These tools let you spy on the exact keywords competitors use to print money. With SEMrush, you can see competitor ad copy, top performing keywords, landing pages, and even their budget estimates. This turns competitor research into a shortcut to profitability. Instead of testing 50 keywords, you start with the 10 that already work. Instead of guessing what ad angles convert, you borrow proof-backed angles. With SEMrush, you can analyze historic data, not just current campaigns. You can identify competitors gaining momentum and copy what's working. You can also see which keywords generate conversions, not just clicks, and reveal gaps in competitor strategies where you think you could possibly outrun them. Also, you could track competitor landing pages and funnels over time and see exactly where competitors increase or decrease spend. Finally, you can also understand what ad creators survive long-term, which is a huge profitability signal. Imagine launching a campaign where you already know what keywords convert, what ad copy gets clicks, what landing pages close customers, and which competitors are overspending, and also where you can dominate with lower CPCs. Now your $100 a day isn't just guesswork, it's strategy backed by data someone else had to pay for to discover. Picture it like this: we optimize your PPC using real competitor data to reduce cost and boost return. Our pro insight here is that don't reinvent the wheel, let your competitors pay for the testing. You profit from the patterns that consistently win. Tool number 3 is where the autopilot really begins. It's Google Ads automated rules. These rules let your campaigns optimize themselves. Pause bad keywords, increase winning bids, adjust budgets, trigger alerts, all automatically. This is where PPC stops being a full-time babysitting job and becomes a self-correcting profit engine. Automated rules acts like a virtual assistant monitoring your campaigns 24/7. You can create rules that trigger based on CPC thresholds, conversion costs, return on ad spend, impression share, click-through rate drops, hour of day performance, and day of week patterns. This is how PPC pros maintain profitable campaigns at scale that replace manual tweaks with intelligent automation that prevents wasted spend before it happens. Advanced users set up rules like bid reduction for rising CPC trends, ad rotation adjustments based on click-through rate drops, causing poor performances during low conversion hours, weekend-only bid boosts if past weekends show high return on ad spend. Power automations could include something like auto-pause keywords that overspend, auto-boost budgets for profitable campaigns, auto-send alerts for conversions, auto-schedule ads for peak hours, auto-rotate ads when fatigue sets in, auto-apply labels for faster reporting, and auto-reduce bids to maintain target CPA. Picture it like this: your campaigns are managed by